Millennium Woodwork and Design offers a high-end trim package that is distinctive and the mark of true craftsmanship. Each is built to customer satisfaction, a work of art. Their motto, if you have an idea, it can be done. Working with many of the finest builders in Spokane, such as Hultquist Builders, Millennium offers quality work that is unmistakable. Install trim packages, custom handrails, radius handrails, design built-ins, custom closets, kitchen installations, wrap beams and columns, wainscot, and ship ceilings. Millennium Woodwork and Design, Inc. Quality that makes the difference.